consumer in the marketplace. Consumers participate in the market when they purchase goods and services that they need. These are the final goods that people as consumers use. These are the rights of consumers. Rules and regulations are required for protecting the environment. Many people who work in the unorganized sector have to work at a low wage and accept conditions that are not fair and are also often harmful to their health. To prevent such exploitation, we have talked of rules and regulations for their protection. Markets do not work in a fair manner when producers are few and powerful, whereas consumers purchase in small amounts and are scattered. This happens especially when large companies are producing these goods. At times, false information is passed on through the media and other sources to attract consumers. Hence, there is a need for rules and regulations to ensure protection for consumers. Consumer movement. Consumer movement was formed in the 1960s. As many unfair practices were being indulged in by the sellers, consumer movement took place. There was no legal system available to consumers to protect them from exploitation in the marketplace. In India, the consumer movement as a social force originated with the necessity of protecting and promoting the interests of consumers against unethical and unfair trade practices. Jago Grahak Jago is an example of a campaign in which the consumer awareness was raised. Implementation of Bureau of Indian Standards Act 1986 was also a part of consumer awareness. A major step taken in 1986 by the Indian government was the enactment of the Consumer Protection Act 1986, popularly known as COPRA. Let us learn about the consumer rights. First is, safety is everyone's right. The manufacturers of the safety valve have to ensure high quality. We also need public or government action to see that this quality is maintained. Producers need to strictly follow the required safety rules and regulations. Next is information about goods and services. In the year 2005, the Government of India enacted a law popularly known as RTI or Right to Information Act, which ensures its citizens all the information about the functions of government departments. Consumers can complain and ask for compensation or replacement if the product proves to be defective in any manner. Any consumer who receives a service in whatever capacity, regardless of age, gender and nature of service, has the right to choose whether to continue to receive the service. Next is, where should consumers go to get justice? If any damage is done to a consumer, she or he has the right to get compensation depending on the degree of damage. The consumer movement in India has led to the formation of various organizations locally known as consumer forums or consumer protection councils. They guide consumers on how to file cases in the consumer court. Under COPRA Act, a three-tier judicial machinery at the district, state and national levels was set up for redressal of consumer disputes. The district level court deals with the cases involving claims up to Rs 20 lakhs, whereas the state level courts deal with cases between Rs 20 lakhs and Rs 1 crore, and the national level court deals with cases involving claims exceeding Rs 1 crore. If a case is dismissed in district level court, the consumer can also appeal in state and then in national level court. The Act has enabled us as consumers to have the right to represent in the consumer court. Consumer rights in India. On 24 December 1986, Government of India enacted the Consumer Protection Act 1986 to ensure the rights of consumers, to provide remedies for deceived consumers. These are the 8 consumer rights: safety, right to be informed, right to choose, enjoy healthy and sustainable environment, right to redress, receive consumer education, right to be heard, satisfaction of basic needs. These are the 8 consumer rights. Learning to become well-informed consumers. The posters that you have seen are one example through which government spread information about legal processes which people can use. The enactment of COPRA Act has led to the setting up of separate departments of consumer affairs in central and state governments. Examples are ISI and AGMARK. Here it clearly states that access to information can block the road to corruption, of course, which is very true. RTI, right to information, which is the right of every consumer. Learning to become well-informed consumers. The consumer movement in India has made some progress in terms of numbers of organized groups and their activities. There are today more than 700 consumer groups in the country. Consumer awareness in India is spreading but slowly. Besides this, the enforcement of laws that protect workers, especially in the unorganized sectors, is weak. Similarly, rules and regulations for working of markets are often not allowed. Consumer movements can be effective only with the consumer's active involvement. It requires a voluntary effort and struggle involving the participation of one and all. Consumer education is the need for the hour. We as consumers should be well aware of the happenings around us to actively involve ourselves in the consumer movement. With the chapter Consumer Rights, the consumers in the marketplace, the rights of consumers, consumer movements. Jago Grahak Jago is an example of a campaign and implementation of Bureau of Indian Standards Act 1986 is an example of consumer awareness movement or act. Consumer rights. Safety is everyone's right. Information about goods and services is every consumer right. Now, where should consumers go to get their justice? District level courts, state level courts and national level courts. These are the 8 consumer rights. The consumer rights in India is enacted in 1986 to ensure rights of consumers, provide remedies for deceived consumers. Consumer rights. Learning to become well-informed consumers, access to information can block the road to corruption. RTI, Right to Information Act, is the right of every consumer. Learning to become well-informed consumers, consumer education is the need for the hour for the achievement of consumer movements. The consumer movement in India has made some progress in terms of numbers of organized groups and their activities. Consumer movements can be effective only with the consumer's active involvement. It requires a voluntary effort and struggle involving the participation of one and all.